Today is Sunday the 12th. We'll be analyzing GBPJPY as the market opens today midnight. So we'll go straight to the 1 month time frame. I don't really trade from the 1 month time frame. I just want to see market direction. So from what we see on the 1 month time frame, price has been bullish, which means you should be looking to buy GBPJPY. And then we go to the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, we can see that price gave us a break of structure. I'm just going to read structure. Price gave us a break of structure. By the way, I enter my trades from right. So price came back to this other block that caused the break of structure, and now is buying up. You can see that price has currently taken out this previous weekly high. Is it? Let's see. I want to make sure my line is straight. Good. Yes, price. So this is another break of structure, weekly break of structure. So we should be expecting to buy this market from here. So we might see from here, from the other block or demand zone which caused that. So we might see price fall down to this level and then continue going up. So that is it on the weekly time frame. We'll go now to the daily time frame. Let me put that as my other block. So we'll go now to the daily time frame. It's just still about mapping out. So from the daily time frame, we can see that this is what's happening here. This is the other block that we marked on the weekly time frame. This is it. On the daily time frame, that is the other block. But that is not all about it, right? On the daily time frame, we also have this low here, this other block here. So when I have situations like this with two other blocks, what I usually do is that I'll use my Fibonacci retracement tool from that lowest point to the highest point. Everything points that this other block down here is the actual other block to buy this market, not this one up here. So we'll be eliminating this for now, although price might react from that level. And again, what we see reading this structure is that we have like a tiny break of structure here, a tiny break of structure right about here, and then this is the low of that break of structure, or the swing low of that price action. That's the swing low. Down to the 4 hours time frame, when things will be more clearer on the 4 hours time frame. From the 4 hours time frame, this is what we have, right? From the 4 hours time frame, we can reduce this other block to this level from the 4 hours time frame, and then this. Now from the 4 hours time frame, we cannot completely rule out this other block, although price from the daily time frame to those the other block down is preferable, but we cannot completely rule out this other block. So what will happen is that I will look at confirmation entry from lower time frame when price get to this level, because it's highly possible price might come down like this and then continue going up without coming down to this level. So I'll be using confirmation entry. I will map that out and use confirmation entry. Why would I map that out? We can see that from the 4 hours time frame, this other block that we just mapped here, this other block, this one, did not completely break this structure. I mean, when I talk about the structure, this is what I'm talking about. Did not break this structure. What broke the structure was this other block here, right? Because as you can see, price gave us this move, right? Came down, came here. From this order block, price went up, left here. What it got rejected, and then from here, this is where the move started, which broke structure. So we cannot completely rule out this order block, because at the end of the day, this at the end of the day, this order block down here, this one did not break structure. As you can see, it got rejected here. So we'll use confirmation entry on the lower time frame, but we'll just keep things open, keep our minds open. So we'll go down to, this is a break of structure. I want to mark that out very well. Good. That's another break of structure. Okay. So price was normally supposed to, because the order block which caused this break of structure, this is it. This is the order block, or the people call it the demand zone, which causes break of structure. And price is normally supposed to start buying from there to the upside, right? Price is supposed to buy from there to the upside. So we'll look at how price would react from the lower time frame, trading into that order block. And see a 1 hour time frame first. Okay, so we are on the 1 hour time frame, and from the 1 hour time frame, price looks like it is going down, right? Because if we were to refine this demand zone, this will be it, right? This will be the demand zone. You can see that price already broke past that demand zone with a very high 1 hour momentum, and we can see that the sell momentum is very high. Like, when I talk about the sell momentum, I'm talking about the candles compared to the buy candles. Let's look at this. We have 1 2 3 4 5 hours of buy candles, but we have just 1 hour of sell candle that completely engulfed this candle. So I think this market is still going to be pushing down, but I'm not looking to sell the market. Sell this market further. Where we would be selling this market would be here. No, I think would be here. Where we'll be selling this market will be here. We'll be looking to sell this market from here, continue going down. But I'm not looking to sell this market when the market opens, because price is actually, it is possible that price came to sweep this liquidity down here, because there's liquidity, there's this low. It's possible that price came to sweep liquidity, which is something that has happened. Right, it's possible that price came to sweep that liquidity, and price is going to be reversing on us. But if I'm to buy this market as well, I'll be waiting for this high to be taken out. So for now, I'm not trading anything, right? I'm not trading this demand zone. I'm not trading anything. This is, let me tell you what I'll be expecting. If I want to sell this market, I expect price to come up here, sell to the downside, and then I'll look to continue selling this market. I'll look to continue selling this market down to this demand zone. Now, if price gives me now confirmation, to take this market to the upside, then I'll start buying it from there. If not, we'll look to continue selling the market down to this other demand zone right here. But where price is currently at, I don't think I'll be looking to sell this market. I'll just be patient to watch what will happen. If I was to sell this market, I will sell this market on only if price takes out this low. That's when I will sell this market. Only if price takes out this level. If price takes out this level, that's why I will sell this market. And I will buy the market only if price break above this level, because I'll be buying the market if price breaks above this level. Let's say price moves break, I'll be looking to buy, because I know I would have around here my market lower time frame microstructure shift. So that is my analysis on GBPJPY upon the market when the market opens today. That is my analysis. So what we'll be waiting for is for price to play out. Right, if price plays out, let's say price breaks above this level and continue and give us confirmation, all right, or form a new demand zone somewhere around here, price breaks and form a new demand zone. Now we'll go down to a 5 minutes time frame, buy this market, or 50 minutes time frame. We'll look at the confirmation here from 50 minutes time frame to buy this market up to this high here. So we'll be buying that market up to that high here. If not, I don't want to sell the market. I'm not comfortable selling the market at that level because anything can happen. So for now, we're just going to be patient and be looking at what GBP JPY will give us upon the market open. I think I'll review this trade again later to see exactly what's going on. Yeah, so this is my analysis on GBP JPY. So if you trade GBP JPY, is what I'm looking at. I'm just going to be waiting for price to play out within this range. I'm just going to be patiently waiting to see what price does within this range. I'm not trading price at that range. I just want to wait to see what price does on that range. This is my analysis on GBP JPY. See you guys later when we hit you up the updates.